we do?
Shall we deal with this?
Brute force is my jam. All right, Senna, show us what you're made of. Right!
Nice group heal! We're unstoppable with you around, Senna.
I'm the girl with the gall.
Guys, get ready to fight.
Enemy spotted!
Smarts! We've been spotted.
What the? Smoke screen? It smells weird. This, not just normal smoke.
Ah! They're hiding in the smoke!
More incoming! My legs. Ah! Mimi!
It's smoke. Don't breathe it in.
Who the spark are they? Soldiers from Agnes, duh!
I know this maneuver.
What is it?
One of Colony 13's little specialties.
So, you've seen this before? But wait a moment. These mudders are Agnian.
I don't get it. Why this specific tactic? Could it be the commander?
This is looking grim. There's no way to tell where they're gonna come from next.
Water.
Water?
Yeah. There are water veins in these caves. We can use them to make an escape.
You say make a dash for it?
Tyon, decide! Look, I trust your judgment.
You do? All right, we'll have to run. I judge it to be the best option right now.
All I needed to hear. Let's move! Lead the way!
I'm on it.
Hey, this one means business.
been found.
More of them? This is our first time here, isn't it?
Like this.
Shall we deal with this?
Enemy spotted!
Now, we wait.
They read us like an open book. How?
No time to worry about that now. We need to make the water veins. Gas grenades! That's hardly fair!
I'll deal with you all at once!
This is it!
They're here. Can't see them, but it's a real welcome party.
Time to go. Big breath, then jump.
It's another thing to see it for yourself, eh?
I hope we can make use of this.
It's another thing to see it for yourself, eh?
Doesn't look like they can follow us this far with their gear.
That gives us a little breathing time.
I knew it! Commander Isard!
Long time no see, Tyon.
That guy.
So they got to you too? Commander! Did they order you to destroy Ouroboros too?
Not exactly.
Huh?
You must have worked it out. This strategy mirrors that day when Nimwe's life was cut short. I figured you would try to use that route to flee. That's how I knew to wait right here. And so I replicated the conditions of that day to a T.
But why do such a thing?
Why? Well, let's see. In a nutshell, to remind you of your past, to make you relive it and drive you to despair, to break your heart, to steal all that you hold dear, to ruin you to your very core. That is my revenge. It's payback for Nimue dying with her wish unfulfilled. It's your own past. It's finally caught up with you! Nimue gave it to you, right? You should hold on to it.
It was my fault. My pride led to her death. If only I'd presented a less reckless plan, the strategist would never have... Nimue would... It's too much for me. I don't deserve this. It's true. It is my fault. You were the kindest man I knew, Commander. But I made you use the same enemy tactic that cost Nimue her life! I drove you to such desperation, and now you're determined to kill me!
Precisely right, Taion. The past has come back to haunt you. I will make you hear Nimue's rage, her redemption.
You won't get away!
How about it? No escape!
Will you drive them to their destination?
No! I will not let myself go! Never again! Here! Eat this!
I'll get you ship-shape in no time!
Let me teach you how futile it all is.
Eat this!
You cannot hide!
I'll do this! Healing's on the way! Hold on!
I need you, Mio!
You think that's enough to beat me? Go! Don't let a single one escape!
Enemy reinforcements!
Eat this!
Fire eye sword! Disappear!
We're near our limit!
You cannot hide!
There's sparks radiant!
I'll punch you up! Stay with me!
No border!
Help's on the way! Nothing going. I gotta push through this!
Are you okay?
I got careless.
Fire eye sword! Disappear!
Still okay!
I've got an arm in no time.
Unstoppable!
How futile it is! You beat me?
I'm sorry, everyone. Got you covered.
You know you prefer. Not serious. You will set me up. You're a lifesaver.
How about this?
You cannot hide! Give us no mercy! No quarter!
No, it's nothing.
We can't hold for much longer!
You want to sword? Disappear!
Not letting you stay down!
Must say that. Appreciate it. One more.
Lance, let's pile on the pressure.
Wicked! Time to fire! Let's do it, Tyre. And you...
Let me get out, you
Much
kind
too early for nap time. I'm not done.
We'll finish it here.
Hold on just a little longer.
This should be our plan of attack. I'll make it work.
I can follow that up. You're done.
Keep hitting hard.
How's this for all right?
I'll start us off.
I'm with you.
This isn't the end.
Manana has cunning pulling out all stops.
I'll take point.
I'll follow your lead! Refuse to be shown!
More where that came from. Hit them with a lead quick. Everyone get ready. Allow me. Let's do it, Tyre. You guys,
Help's on the way.
come on now.
File eye sword! Disappear!
I still have work to do.
I'll help you.
Did I read things right?
No, you snuffing. This can't be happening.
Leave the enemies to me.
I'll keep us safe from harm.
I'll heal you right up.
We're better to monitor the battle than on healing duty.
I'll keep you safe and snug.
You line them up, I'll knock them down.
I'm coming with you.
I will make you hear Nimue's rage, her resentment.
Commander Izzo,
I will sweep you from this world!
Come here! I got something for you! You're a lifesaver.
to beat me?
Give it up!
Just one!
Enemy's broken away from me!
Come here! I got something for you!
Didn't disappoint! Just one!
Let it go! We're near our limit!
Enemy's broken away from me!
Eat this!
All right,
Come here! I got something for you!
Perfect time.
You won't get away!
still do a bit more! Are you okay?
You guys ready for this? Oh yeah! Let me at him!
All right, here!
Let me get you!
It isn't over! It isn't over! Couldn't keep them in check! Eyes over here! Wow, thanks! No escape! Ah! Come on now! There!
I'll show you!
No escape!
Let me give you a taste!
We wouldn't be alive today if it weren't for Hannah. Don't think we'll give up so easily.
Nothing going. I need you, Mia!
You think that's enough to beat me?
Enemy's broken away from me!
Come here! I got something for you!
You didn't disappoint.
Enemy's broken away from me!
Come here! I got something for you!
You didn't disappoint.
Let me give you a taste!
Enemy's broken away from me!
There!
Come here! I got something for you!
Wow, thanks.
Enemy's broken away from me!
We're near our limit! Come here! I got something for you!
Wow, thanks. Come on now. Get to it.
You won't get away!
Are you okay?
wizard! Please! Please stop this now!
Tyon!
If he hadn't used his powers back there, you'd be first out of running. A win would have been a nice surprise.
Quick, we're gonna miss the homecoming.
First one they've ever had here, right? Uni! Look! Above!
What is this?
That's the frozen.
Why is this to me?
Not that I have all much time to spare, but soon.
What the? Which one? Which one's real? This one? How about here? Another illusion? Playing me for a fool? I'll show you a fool! I'll blow you away! You and all your rustling phantoms!
Oh, intense. I can't defend against that.
If Tyon took the Ouroboros form, I can too. Lance! Come with me!
You insane!
Just trust me! Hurry!
It's over! Tyon!
Tyon, all of you! I won't let this creep lay a finger on anyone!
Quick thinking, Lance. Get off me. Had to go play the hero. Come on. He was trying to protect you. Just stop it. No more arguing. Say, why a ham?
You gonna hit something or
I'm
not?
here. We haven't met before, have we? flame clock! It has to go!
Embers on coat. Brush them off.
If push comes to shove, do not blink!
Do whatever it takes. For the greater good!
The dead don't think anything. They don't speak to me. You don't need to cry.
Stop crying, lads! It won't change anything! I was top of the rankings in all the training had hearts out here, and nobody didn't see us.
Is that why you're here? For recognition?
It's the feelings you
Is
feel.
that why you're being an officer? For a commendation?
planning to!
Come on. Enough is enough, Commander. There's no reason for us to be fighting each other. If you still need a life to satisfy you, you can have mine.
Tyon!
If that helps put your heart at ease, if it settles the debt I owe Nimue, I'll do it. What? Commander?
He turned into mud pie?
Have you ever felt so much fondness that it made you quiver?
That voice.
Long time no see? You forgot about me. I missed you. All these sayings that have to do with time, they ring so insufferably hollow when you only have 10 years on the clock. It doesn't feel real. But you know...
No! It can't be!
Noah, Uni, Riku, Lanz. I have to tell you, I am overwhelmed with emotion.
Yoren! Sincerely, I'm on the verge of tears.
Yoren! But you...
Yoren. You know him. Wait. I know him. Yes, Yoren. Amid the rubble and the flames. He died in a battle with Agnes. They were all friends.
But wait, how does that work? How can he be...
Assuming the memories we saw were correct. Noah?
Yoren! You're our Yoren! You're alive!
Was I alive? Huh. Of course not. I did die on that day. Evidently. That's why I can be here now. You can call me Jay. Guess what? I'm a proud member of Mobius now.
No, you can't mean it.
Yoren. You see, they gave me this incredible power. I can take people's memories and refashion them into my very own mud puppets.
Mud puppets?
Refashion my wings?
No, not yet. I can still...
I don't want to die. Don't make me die here, please.
I told you we shouldn't have come here. You just had to make me.
This is awful. Why are we the ones
You have to fight.
The body may be mud, but their minds are the real deal. But without hearts, they're pretty quick to tell you what's on their minds.
Yoren.
To be honest, these nobodies are beneath me. Noah, Uni, or Lands, you'd make good puppets. What profound and clear-sighted words would your cold lips utter? I've so wished to hear. Why did you have to go and become Ouroboros?
Lauren, you were never like this. What did they do to you?
What do you think you knew of me? You didn't know anything. I am only myself, Uni. The realest, truest me. I don't need to hide anymore. I can finally be me. Becoming Mobius? Best thing that ever happened to me. I want you to feel it. Feel the joy I feel. Feel my absolute elation!